Do you find it hard to get a good night's sleep? Are you struggling with insomnia? Well, worry not. Today, we have some amazing Ayurvedic tips that can help you improve your sleep naturally. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, offers a holistic approach to treating insomnia. By addressing the underlying imbalances in the body and incorporating specific home remedies, you can effectively overcome sleeplessness. Insomnia, or sleep deprivation, affects numerous individuals and can have a significant impact on their overall well-being. Here are some common signs of insomnia that can help you determine if you are experiencing it. Visuals of each symptom listed, accompanied by brief text. Inability to fall asleep. Waking up frequently during the night. Feeling sad or depressed. Fatigue or drowsiness during the day. Increased accidents. If you resonate with these symptoms and find it challenging to function, don't worry. We have 6 amazing Ayurvedic tips that can help you overcome insomnia naturally. Tip number 1: establish a soothing bedtime routine. Create a consistent routine that signals your body and mind to relax. Avoid stimulants like caffeine and electronic devices at least 2 hours before bed. Instead, opt for relaxing activities such as reading a book or listening to gentle music. Additionally, maintain a consistent sleep-wake schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Tip number 2: consider Panchakarma treatment. Panchakarma is a detoxification and rejuvenation therapy in Ayurveda that can benefit insomnia. Specific treatments like Shirodhara, which involves pouring warm oil on the forehead, and Nasya, which is nasal administration, help balance the doshas, calm the mind, and promote better sleep. Tip number 3: practice Abhyanga, or self-massage, with warm oil. Before taking a shower or bath, massage your body with sesame oil or coconut oil. This self-care practice promotes relaxation, calms the nervous system, and induces better sleep. Tip number 4: explore Nasya and Shirodhara treatments. Nasya involves applying medicated oil to the nasal passages, while Shirodhara entails a gentle stream of warm oil on the forehead. Both of these Ayurvedic treatments promote relaxation and better sleep. Using Ayurvedic oils infused with calming herbs like Brahmi or sesame oil can enhance their effectiveness. Transition to visuals of Ayurvedic therapy. Voiceover. Tip number 5: consider Raktamakshana treatment. Raktamakshana, a part of Ayurvedic Panchakarma, involves bloodletting to balance the doshas and promote better sleep. It helps eliminate toxins and excess pitta from the body, reducing stress and inducing relaxation. Transition to visuals of breathing exercises. Voiceover. Tip number 6: engage in pranayama and breathing exercises. Certain breathing techniques and pranayama exercises can calm the mind, release tension, and prepare the body for sleep. Practice deep belly breathing, alternate nostril breathing.